What is the current status of Shibarium and Shiba Inu? Adoption of Shiba Inu is growing at an astounding rate. You cannot afford to miss this video. If you're interested in Shiba Inu, or if you own any Shib tokens, what is the most recent information regarding Shiba Inu coins and how will it impact the market value of Shiba Inu? I will be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. But before we move on to our subject, let us look at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on November 30. The cost of a Shiba Inu is currently about 823 units. With $309 million traded in a day, Shib's price has decreased by 1.3 in the past 24 hours. The token is now the 20th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $4.8 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let us start the video for today now. Shib burn increases by 900. How does this affect the token's meaning? The Shibburn website data shows that the token burn on the last day amounted to around 83 million Shiba Inu tokens. This sum indicates a 913.89% gain throughout the timeframe. Shib burn is the process of shifting Shib tokens to dead wallets and taking them out of circulation. This mechanism's main goal is to make the cryptocurrency scarcer while raising the value of the accessible tokens that are still available. When the burn rate rises, traders expect price movement to follow despite Shib's decline. This does not always happen though, because the burn mechanism focuses more on long-term effects than on immediate ones. This time, despite the concurrent increase in the burn rate, the price of Shib dropped by 2.20%. A possible explanation for the price drop could be the general market downturn that has put meme coins and altcoins in the same danger. Dealers are placing bets on Shib to rebound despite the decline in value. The weighted funding rate that CoinGlass offer demonstrated this. One indicator of traders' attitude toward the market is the financing rate. Positive funding rates indicate that open futures contracts are projecting a gain in the price of the underlying cryptocurrency. On the other hand, a negative financing rate indicates that market sentiment is generally unfavorable. Since Shib's financing rate was 0.169% at the time of publication, traders are unlikely to abandon their optimistic conviction despite the price decline. The Shib price is not currently poised for a rise. Technically speaking, the price of the Shib might not rise above $810 very soon. This is a result of the low volume surrounding cryptocurrencies. Additionally, accumulation has not been as strong as bulls had hoped. The money flow index is one measure that supports this idea. The MFI dropped to 51.32 at the time of writing, having reached 61.44 in the early hours of November 30. Elevated MFI readings suggest heightened purchasing pressure, but the indicator readings decline suggests that the buying momentum has paused. If the MFI measurement is not able to recover, Shib tends to fall short of 800 units. Similar to the MFI, the moving average divergence indicated that the price of Shib may either decline or stabilize. We would be so grateful if you could press the like button if you are still viewing. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments regarding the Shiba Inu currency. Shib and Bone recover as the Shibarium moves into a critical stage. Owners of Shiba Inu are celebrating the recovery of the Shiba Inu environment. After trading in a downward parallel channel for a month, Bone, Shibarium's gas tax token, started a daily rebound rally of 4.10 to break over the yearly low of 59 cents, as Shib looks for a solid foundation to remove a zero from its market value. It has started a 3.78 surge in the last 24 hours to trade above the confluent resistance at 800 units for a week. Shib, which had been consolidating for the preceding week, saw a strong pushback after hitting a weekly high of 851 units on Saturday. According to CoinGecko, Shiba Inu is trading at 822 units at the time of publication. It was a historic time for the Shibarium, the self-sufficient layer 2 blockchain of Shiba Inu, since its spectacular launch. In August, more than 4.25 million transactions have taken place on Shibarium. Even so, the growing excitement surrounding Layer 2 subsided after many months of sharp declines in daily transactions. Many Shib Army members identified the problem of stalling trading activity on Shiba Inu's Layer 2, mostly in response to Shiburn's report of a sharp decline in daily burning procedures. Notably, slow builder activity on the network may be the cause of the declining daily transaction volume. Despite this, there has been a significant increase in Shibarium layer. 2 transactions recently. On November 21st, 2023, the number of transactions doubled to around 35,000 per day. For the first time in many months, developer activity spiked, but just for 2 days before declining to the daily average of 15,000 transactions. It is time for the video's major plot now. Will there be new all-time highs for the Shiba Inu token? Getting past the remedial stage, Shiba Inu, a well-known cryptocurrency, is presently going through a pivotal point in its market development. A short-term descending parallel channel and a long-term descending resistance trend line are influencing the asset's fluctuating correction pattern. Market sentiment and technical indicators. Shib has been on a downward trajectory since January, always encountering rejections at the declining resistance trend line. According to a weekly time frame analysis, the creation of extended upper wicks indicates there has been strong selling pressure as a result of these rejections, which were most noticeable in November. In a more recent event, on November 27th, the Shib price experienced another rejection, which prolonged its downward trajectory. Since June, Shib has also been tracking an ascending support trend line that, when combined with a descending resistance line, forms a symmetrical triangle, the function of the Relative Strength Index or RCF for traders. The Relative Strength Index is a crucial momentum indicator that helps identify overbought or oversold market circumstances and directs investment decisions. The daily RC for Shib is near 50, indicating a vacillating market mood and an inability to establish a definitive trend direction. A possible breakout scenario for Shib, a shorter 6-hour time interval, shows Shib in a parallel channel that descends and usually includes corrective adjustments. This trend points to a possible breakout. A significant event in this pattern happened on November 22nd, when Shib rebounded at the channel support trend line, which coincided with the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement support level. Shib hasn't, however, been able to successfully break through this channel yet. Forecasts and the impact of token burn certain traders, like Charty, Monkey Bitcoin, anticipate that Shib's price may rise in the near future, provided there is a legitimate breakout from the current resistance trend line. Moreover, the recent burning of 320 million Shib tokens in the last week and 36 million in the last 24 hours may impact the asset's price dynamics. Hopefully, the Shib burn rate will increase soon, although I do not think the Shib crew is putting in a lot of effort to cause huge burns. Although we have not seen a true widespread acceptance of Shibarium by developers, they still require the community to build more products on the platform. Because they trust the Shiba Inu developers and the true worth of the breed, many of our subscribers remark that they will not be selling Shibs for the next 5 years and will instead hold millions of them. What number of ones do you guys have? Remember to include a list of your Shib holdings in the box below. Let us give the Shib holder credit for having faith in and trusting the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video, do not forget to enable post notifications. However, Shib is not the only project you ought to be researching right now. Indeed, it appears like cryptocurrency gaming will be the next big thing in the field. Check out the video on screen. Now to learn about the top cryptocurrency gaming ventures to invest in right now. You will not want to miss it, I assure you.